Welcome to Listening Practice in English.
The Joy of Hobbies, how free time activities enrich our lives. In our busy world, hobbies and free time activities are more than just ways to pass the time. They are essential for happiness, creativity, and personal growth. Whether it's painting, playing sports, gardening, or simply reading a good book, hobbies give us a break from daily stress and help us discover new passions. One of the greatest benefits of hobbies is that they allow us to express ourselves. For example, someone who enjoys photography can capture beautiful moments and see the world differently. A person who loves cooking can experiment with flavors and share delicious meals with friends and family. These activities help us explore our talents and bring joy not just to ourselves, but to others as well. Hobbies also help us relax and recharge. After a long day of work or study, doing something we love, like playing an instrument, knitting, or hiking in nature, can calm our minds and improve our mood. Scientists have found that people who regularly engage in hobbies are less stressed and more satisfied with life. Additionally, hobbies can connect us with others. Joining a sports team, book club, or dance class helps us meet people who share our interests. These connections can turn into friendships, making our lives richer and more meaningful. The best part about hobbies is that there are no rules. Everyone can choose what they enjoy. Some people prefer quiet activities like puzzles or writing, while others love exciting ones like rock climbing or dancing. The important thing is to find something that makes you happy. So, if you don't have a hobby yet, why not try something new? You might discover a hidden talent or simply find a wonderful way to enjoy your free time. After all, life is not just about work. It's also about the little pleasures that make each day special.